he here for which one?
The gray Toyota?
Okay.
Okay. So he's here for the other one?
Well, yeah, he got into him and the officer kind of got sideways. So.
Wow.
Letting the sergeants out here to sort things out. So.
Oh, okay. All right, man. Okay, well. ¿Cómo estamos?
Do you know where you're towing it to?
Yes, sir. I got a business card. You got the key for the vehicle?
Can you tow it to a Geico repair center? Or
To where?
Geico repair center or Toyota?
Yes, you can tow it anywhere you want.
Okay.
It's your vehicle. So just to let you know that on that case, you got to pay out of pocket tonight to get it delivered. Okay, so usually we take it to the tow lot, and then Geico, they will send an adjuster over there, and they will look at it and decide if they want to fix it or totally whatever they do with it. They send another tow truck and get it from there.
Okay, I'm on hold with the Geico tow dispatcher right now.
Okay.
I told the cop beforehand.
Yeah.
I don't want to pay out of pocket. That's the thing. So,
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just waiting on them. This is the dispatcher for Geico.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like I say, I got a business card. I'm gonna go and get it, so you know where the vehicle is. If you talk to Geico, they will guide you through the whole process, because that's usually how they work. We work with all the insurance companies.
Okay.
You know.
Okay, so I'm an exception. I need to tow it to a Geico center. A Geico repair or body shop.
But they all closed right now.
Yeah, you can drop off the vehicle there.
Okay.
Yeah, outside. There's like a red key box outside. You can drop it in the key box.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, like I said, man, I mean, I just got here because APD called me out here.
Okay.
So, whatever. Let me go and get that car and get everything situated.
Thanks, bro.
Hey, my battery died. I got a bad battery. I can actually drive and get out of your way if I can get a quick jump. The cop doesn't know how to.
I don't have nothing to jump your car.
Oh, he's got cables. So,
Well,
might make your job easier. I get out of your way first.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna get into that, you know, because I think there is another tow truck. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So you hear what we were talking about, right? So the question here is what's gonna happen, I guess, because he say he wants to take it to a Geico repair center,
Right.
and I'm explaining to him that he has to pay out of pocket if I do that. They all closed right now, by the way, but if he wants to do it, I mean, then we do it. It's his car. He say he's on the phone with Geico. Usually the tow trucks that they have, they not approved on the rotation list. So at this point, it's all your decision. If you want me to take it or.
So if you want it at a Geico spot, you're going to have to pay out of pocket.
Yeah, I don't have to. Once I get it, I just dispatch for the tow. I don't have to pay anything out of pocket.
So they have to be on an approved list. And usually Geico is on an approved list to pick up within the city and the city roads, as well as the highways. And so it's a crash that happened in the city, happened from the road, and it's on how your vehicle's on the sidewalk. So like we need to clear the scene.
Is there any imminent threat to my vehicle being?
It's blocking the
It's
sidewalk.
going to be gone once I get this tow truck dispatched. I'm on hold for 20 minutes. And so once it gets through, 20 minutes.
So
you're here on my hold.
So we need to clear the roads, but
I'm
it has to be approved.
I'm not in the road.
And you're on the side. This crash happened from the. If you want, I can bring my corporate here and you can see what's wrong.
I think we should just keep waiting.
Is there a reason why you don't want to take it?
I'm going to pay out of pocket. It's going to be what, $250?
No, it's actually.
Why don't you want him to take it?
Because he's not he wasn't dispatched through my insurance.
Look, I talked to you about this already, right? And I know I told the other tow truck driver he has to leave. That's because he was about to start a fight with you. But like I told you, whichever tow truck shows up first, whether it's your guy or my guy, he's taking your car. I don't know why we're arguing now. So he's taking your car, right? And we're talking about it. We're having patience, but he is taking your car. I did, right? And then and you're not listening, right?
Yeah. So this is the dispatcher for Geico, for tow trucks. So I've been on hold. I'm waiting for them to answer. But once they answer, I'll get a tow truck that people to remove the car.
And what did I tell you a minute ago? I said whatever tow truck driver gets here first is taking your car.
Okay, but I don't want to pay out of pocket.
And you don't have to. I've told you
Yes,
this.
I did. You just said.
Well, I told you that if I take it to my yard, the tow lot.
It's not going to your, it's going to a Geico repair center.
Oh, okay.
So he's going to take the car.
Is that your position?
That is.
Are you paying out of pocket?
He's going to take the car because it's on the sidewalk. And I told you already, whichever tow truck gets here first is going to take it.
To my car. It's going to be gone within the hour.
Your car is getting towed by this man here. I told you whichever guy gets here first. You can't be on the sidewalk, dude.
Is there any problem?
Yes.
It's about to, like, I'm on hold. Like,
You've been on hold. They haven't even dispatched him yet, dude.
Yeah.
I don't know what the problem is. I've explained it to you. That whatever tow truck gets here first, he's going to take the car. If you were so concerned about getting your car, you should have done it when you first discovered the car.
How long has it been?
Since the call came out?
Yeah.
Almost 2 hours?
It happened at 7:30, and what time is it now?
It doesn't matter. I'm not going to argue with you about it.
And it's 8:30
All right.
right now.
Okay.
It's been an hour.
So it's been an hour. I'm sorry. I exaggerated.
Yeah, so
He's taking the car.
Y'all have like special contracts.
car was he here for? What's that?
He was here for this Toyota.
Who's the owner?
This guy.
Okay. Can you just explain to me what happened with him?
Yeah, so I want my car.
Hold on. He's talking about what happened with the first Toyota.
Yeah, and it's all related. So I want my car towed by a Geico dispatcher, so I don't have to pay out of pocket. I want it towed to a Geico approved body shop, so I don't have to pay anything out of pocket. If he takes my car there, he said I have to pay out of pocket.
He did. Yeah, we're talking about the first guy now. He just wants to find out about that.
Yeah, and so
I promise you
this
we'll
same
address
conversation
this.
happened with him when he got irate.
Okay.
Yeah, and so
So you just
then he dismissed him. And he started, yeah.
Who was the first person here? Everybody from the officers.
That's
That was separate from this. That tow truck driver was trying to complain that I did not do the right thing. I felt like I had your back on that one.
Yeah. But I feel like you're like reaching this or like.
I told you, man. I thought we agreed.
No. From the beginning, that's why that situation happened with that guy. Because I don't want my tow truck. I don't want a tow truck that to pay out of pocket for.
How about this? Will your car start?
Yes.
What if you drive it into the street?
The back view is.
Yeah, but if you drive it into the street off the sidewalk, they're gonna have to pull it up into the tow truck anyway. So I'll tell you what, get it off the sidewalk, and then we can leave it here until your tow truck comes. I just can't leave it on the sidewalk. I can't leave the scene with a car on the sidewalk. I'm sorry, man.
This car is
Not gonna
blocked.
make it.
Yeah, it's blocking.
We can do it.
He's got
Gonna push this one forward a bit.
You got a neutral?
That should be good.
It should be good. Brake.
Brake.
Hard.
I mean, so at this point, if you just want to tell your dispatch to cancel me,
To put Denver at the top.
well, yeah, there's no more time, but yeah, just to cancel
Thanks,
the
man.
non-preference.
Appreciate you. Sorry about that.
Oh, no, no worries, man. You're good. All right. All set? Good to go?
Well, let's see. I mean, if he, we're probably gonna need one for him. I can just.
Uh-huh.
One second.
Okay.
Is there like a charge he could pay you to jump him? He thinks all he needs is the jump.
I can try to jump him and not charge him anything.
That's up to you. I'm not asking you to do that. I'm saying if we can make this easier, you can still make some money. He can get his car moved. If that's a service you guys do, that's up to you guys to sort out.
We don't do that, but I mean, if he needs to
don't worry
jump,
about it, buddy. That's totally up to you.
yeah.
Do we need him, Brendan?
No.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna call for another tow probably.
Okay, sounds good.
We ran out of options to jump him, and he's in the middle of the road.
All right.
So, do you have anybody else that can call to help you out? Okay. Well, we're in the middle of the road, so.
So you're gonna call another tow, or you're gonna use me? Because if you're calling another
If
tow,
I can use you, I will.
okay.
Yeah, I'm just. Since we have one on scene, can I just use him?
Do you want to request?
You have to call teletype probably.
At least he has a request.
Can't we trump that since he's on scene already?
I'm sure.
That's the problem.
No, no.
Yeah, is he here?
Jose.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me-
He knows.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, you're good to go.
I'm good to take
You
it?
can take it, yep.
Okay, sounds good.
Got it
All
cleared
right.
to our record enforcement detective.
All right, sounds
Since
good.
you're on scene, I can request that you use it.
Okay, sounds good. All right, so if you want to let him know.
I understand your car is being towed.
I have no way of getting home. I have no way. AAA, I get a ride to the tow.
I thought you said your mom's coming.
She was, but I've not even called her because you're telling me you're not allowing me to call my mom. Okay, you can.
I said you cancel this all your
Oh my God. You gotta be fucking kidding me out here, man. No, this guy doesn't want the tow either. Oh my God, man. Well, you don't have a way to get home. Call an Uber, man. Okay. You got the key, sir?
Just keys. So you can roll your window up. Is the power out at all?
There's no power. It's dead.
No power.
Okay. So you don't have the key? he doesn't have the key. Doesn't want to give me the key. Let's do it without the key. You want a business card of where the vehicle's gonna be? And that's how the story ends out here. Drama. Towing drama. A lot of dramas, man. But we finally got loaded with the car, heading to the yard. We were not able to take the car that we were supposed to get, but we got the other one. So it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next one. Thank you.